It's time to ditch the boring t-shirts and polo shirts and embrace the captivating world of old money style. This timeless aesthetic is all about exuding sophistication and elegance, effortlessly elevating your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're aiming to impress your date, ace the job interview, or simply elevate your everyday style, old money style is the key to unlocking a world of refined charm. Step 0. The essentials. Before diving headfirst into this fashion haven, it's crucial to understand the core principles of old money style. Minimalism is the cornerstone of this aesthetic, so steer clear of loud logos and flashy designs. Instead, opt for neutral colors mirroring the hues of nature in autumn and winter. Remember, fit is king. Clothes that drape seamlessly over your body will accentuate your physique, ensuring a polished appearance. Step 1. Tops. Your wardrobe journey begins with tops, the foundation of your old money ensemble. For underlayers, embrace turtlenecks, the epitome of understated elegance. Beige, black, and white are the go-to colors for turtlenecks this season. Channel the effortless style of Jesperson by tucking in your turtleneck, adding a touch of sophistication. Alternatively, opt for long-sleeve t-shirts, simple shirts, or knits for a more versatile approach. When it comes to overlayers, fleece jackets are the reigning champions. Their modern yet timeless design seamlessly blends into the old money aesthetic. Avoid bulky fabrics, instead, embrace thinner, simpler materials for a more streamlined look. Overcoats are another wardrobe staple, adding a touch of regal charm. If you're under 180 centimeters, choose an overcoat that falls above your knees. Taller gents have the freedom to experiment with longer lengths. Knitted sweaters are my personal favorites. They add depth and dimension to your outfit, seamlessly complementing shirts underneath. Cable knit sweaters in neutral colors are my top picks. Jackets offer a plethora of options, but don't let the variety overwhelm you. Stick to simple designs in the mentioned colors and you'll be effortlessly pairing them with any outfit. Step 2. Pants. Now let's delve into the world of pants, the unsung heroes of your old money ensemble. High-waisted pants, reminiscent of Italian style, are the epitome of sophistication. Ensure they fit well, avoiding overly loose or tight models. Formal and regular pants are versatile options, easily paired with overcoats and sweaters. If chinos are your go-to, ditch the linen for the colder months. Step 3. Shoes. First impressions matter, and your shoes are often the first thing people notice. Investing in quality footwear is a wise decision. Chelsea boots with zippers are the footwear of choice for old money style. Their versatility allows them to transition from casual to formal settings with ease. Formal shoes are another essential, particularly for special occasions. A brown formal shoe adds a unique dimension to your look. Sneakers are a staple in any wardrobe, and white is the simplest color to pair with various outfits. If you're feeling adventurous, cream and brown sneakers can elevate your style further. Step 4. Watches. Accessories can make or break an outfit, and watches are no exception. In the realm of old money style, plastic straps are a no-go. Instead, embrace classic watches with metal or leather straps. For autumn and winter, leather straps are the better choice. Coordinate their color with your belts and shoes for a polished look. The tactile sensation of leather against your wrist adds a touch of refined elegance. Step 5. Perfume. The final touch, the piece de resistance of old money style, is perfume. Without it, your ensemble is like a luxury car with a top-notch exterior but a 3-cylinder engine. Opt for eau de parfum or higher concentrations for optimal performance. Warm or moderate fragrances are ideal, steering clear of overly cool scents. Remember, old money style isn't about acquiring every piece overnight. It's about gradually building a wardrobe of quality garments with timeless designs. Start with a few key pieces and gradually add more as your budget allows. And for fragrance recommendations, I explain in detail how to find the best fragrance that matches your style in this video.